Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guide channel. This is the video about how to build an adjacency list to matrix converter. In this lab we need to define the function that will accept the list. It will look like in picture 1, and the function should convert it to the matrix like in picture 2. First of all, we need to define the function adjacency list to matrix that will accept single parameter adjacency list. Adjacency matrix, it is a square. In the end, we need to build an array with similar width and height. For this reason, we need to know the length of the list. I will define the variable nodes number that will be assigned to the length of adjacency list. Let's print our function in the console. I just need a good example. Let's return a nodes number. It is 4. It means that we have width equals 4 and height equals 4 for our matrix. So far so good, let's build our matrix. We need to create matrix with 4 lists, and we will populate each list inside the matrix with 4 zeros. Let's assign to our matrix variable the list. Here will be our first for loop. This for loop will return lists. One more list, 0 for lowercase in range nodes number. Why lowercase? Because we are not using this variable anywhere. It is a 4 zeros list for lowercase in range nodes number. Let's print the result in the console. Return matrix. Now we need to find a neighbor for each node. We will use another for loop and we'll iterate through our adjacency list items. The first variable will be a node and the second one is neighbors. It is iteration through our dictionary. Now we will create another for loop. We need to look through each value for every key. Each value, it is a list. For neighbor in neighbors, our matrix node with neighbor index will have value 1. As you see, adjacency list has numbers as the keys. It allows us to use node as a first index in the matrix. We probably have typo somewhere. Here, neighbor, not neighbors. Okay, let's print everything in the console. For row in matrix, print row. That's it, we are done. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.